Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the Linenspa memory foam and inner spring hybrid mattress. Now, in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this mattress and help you know what you can expect when you get it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a very important tip to help you get the most out of this mattress. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice about this mattress is just how much memory foam there is for being a hybrid mattress. If we actually look at the side of the mattress, you can see we actually have a lot of memory foam here to go ahead and cushion us from the springs, but we do have those supportive springs down here that you really get to feel that support from a traditional spring mattress. Now, what's awesome about this mattress is you still get that spring effect. You get that bounciness to the actual mattress, but because there's that thick level of memory foam, it is so soft and comfortable. Now, Linenspa is known for making some very high quality and comfortable mattresses, and this mattress is no exception. I really am impressed with just how comfortable and supportive this mattress is. Now, I did want to give you a very important tip to help you get the most out of this mattress. When you get this mattress, it will be vacuum sealed in plastic, and you want to go ahead and slowly and carefully unravel it from the plastic as the springs will be expanding and the mattress will be unfolding. Now, once you've got the mattress out of the plastic, the springs should start to take shape very quickly, but the memory foam needs some time to breathe. I always recommend about 48 hours for that memory foam to fully expand and breathe and recover from the shipping process. If possible, I do recommend not sleeping on the mattress while the memory foam is recovering. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your extremely comfortable and supportive hybrid mattress from Linenspa. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.